Hello, welcome to my class. In this video, we are going to discuss exercise 4.3 from the chapter Quadratic Equations. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and do like the video if you like my class and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to get notifications also. If you have any doubts, you can ask that as comments. Okay, so let us start now. And the first question is, solve the following quadratic equations by the method of completing the square. And this method of completing the square is not there in this year's syllabus. So we'll do question number 2. That is same quadratic equations we have to solve. That is same quadratic equations from question number we have to solve using quadratic formula. So we have to solve using quadratic formula, and the first equation is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. So, what is quadratic formula? X equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. And here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to 3. Now, x is equal to, substitute that here, minus of minus 7 plus or minus root of minus 7 the whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3 by 2 into a is 2. So, this is equal to minus of minus 7 is 7 plus or minus root of minus 7 the whole square is, minus square is plus, and 7 square is 49 minus 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into 3 is 8 into 3 is 24 by 2 into 2 is 4. So, we will get this as 7 plus or minus root of 49 minus 24 is 25 by 4, which is equal to 7 plus or minus, what is root of 25? It is 5 by 4, and that is equal to, if we take 7 plus 5 by 4, we will get 12 by 4, which is equal to 3, and 7 minus 5 by 4 is 2 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 2. So, 3 and 1 by 2 are the roots of this quadratic equation. Next one, 2x square plus x minus 4 equal to 0. So, first write this quadratic formula, minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. And here we can substitute this. Here a equal to 2, b equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 4. So, substitute that here. Minus 1 plus or minus root of 1 square minus 4 into 2 into minus 4 by 2 into 2. Right? Now, this is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of 1 square is 1. Then minus into minus is plus. And 16 into 2. 4 into 4 is 16. Then 16 into 2 is 32 by 4. Which is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 33 by 4. So, the roots of this quadratic equation are minus 1 plus root 33 by 4 and minus 1 minus root 33 by 4. Next one is 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 equal to 0. So, we can write A, B and C. Now, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. And minus b is minus 4 root 3 plus or minus root of 4 root 3 the whole square minus 4 into 3. 4ac is 4 into 4 into 3 by 2a. 2 into 4. And that is equal to minus 4 root 3 plus or minus root of 4 root 3 the whole square is 4 square into root 3 square. 4 square is 16 and root 3 square is 3. Then minus, this is 4 into 4 is 16 into 3 by 2 into 4 is 8. So, this is equal to This is 0. Root of 0 is 0. So minus 4 root 3 by 8, which is equal to, this will go 2 times. So this is equal to minus root 3 by 2. And there are 2 roots for a quadratic equation. We got only one root. What does that mean? This has equal roots. So minus root 3 by 2 and minus root 3 by 2 are the roots of this quadratic equation. Understood? Next one, 2x square plus x plus 4 equal to 0. So, a equal to 2, b equal to 1 and c is equal to 4. And x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. And that is equal to minus b is minus 1 plus or minus root of b square is 1 square minus 4 into 2 into 4 by 2 into 2. 2a is 2 into a is 2. So, this is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of 1 minus 16 into 2 is 32 by 4. 2 into 2 is 4. So, this is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of minus 31 by 4. And here root, we have this b square minus 4ac as minus 31. This is minus 31. b square minus 4ac is minus 31, which is a negative number. And if b square minus 4ac is negative, there are no it means that there are no real roots for this quadratic equation. So, this equation doesn't have any real root. Understood? Next one, third question, first subpart, x minus 1 by x is equal to 3, x not equal to 0. We have to solve this. That is, find the roots of this quadratic equation. First, we have to convert this to quadratic equation and then find this x. So, how will we find this? Just subtract 1 by x from x. We will get, LCM is x. So, we have to multiply this by x, which will give x into x is x square. Then minus 1 by x is equal to 3. And this is 3 by 1. We can write it as 3 by 1. Now cross multiply this. We will get x square minus 1 is equal to 3 into x is 3x. Now take this 3x to the left hand side. We will get x square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we can apply quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. And here a is 1, b is minus 3 and c is minus 1. So applying this formula we will get x is equal to minus of minus 3 plus or minus root of b square is minus 3 the whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1 by 2a, 2 into 1. So this is equal to minus of minus 3 is 3 plus or minus root of minus 3 the whole square is 9 minus of minus is plus 4 by 2, and that is equal to 3 plus or minus root 13 by 2. Now solve this equation. 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30. So first x minus 7 minus of x plus 4 by x plus 4 into x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30, right? And minus of x. So we will get x minus 7 minus into x is minus x and minus into plus 4 is minus into plus is minus. So we will get minus 4 here. And x plus 4 into x minus 7. First multiply this x by x minus 7. X into x is x square. Then x into minus 7 is minus 7x. Then 4 into x is 4x. And 4 into minus 7 is minus 28 is equal to 11 by 30. Okay, now x minus x is 0. So we can cancel that. And minus 7 minus 4 is minus 11 by x square. Then minus 7x plus 4x is minus 3x. Then minus 28 is equal to 11 by 30. Now cross multiplying this, we'll get cross multiply this first. So 11 into x square minus 3x minus 28 is equal to minus 11 into 30. So x square minus 3x minus 28 is equal to minus 11 into 30 by 11. And 11 will go in minus 11 minus 1 time. So this is equal to minus 30. That is x square minus 3x minus 28 is equal to minus 30. Now bring this minus 30 to the left hand side. We'll get x square minus 3x minus 28 plus 30. It will become plus 30. So plus minus 28 plus 30 is plus 2 is equal to 0. Now this is equal to, we can do by factorization itself. So we have to get sum as minus 3 and product as 2. AC. A here is 1. So 1 into 2 is 2. Product 2 and sum minus 3 means the numbers can be minus 1 and minus 2. Minus 1 into minus 2 is 2 and minus 1 plus minus 2 is minus 3, right? So we can split this minus 3x as minus 1x minus 2x, and minus 1x is nothing but minus x, then minus 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now we can take x out from this, so we will get x remaining, and if we take x out from this we have minus 1, and if we take minus 2 out from this we have x minus 1 remaining, which is equal to 0. Now x minus 2 into x minus, that is we are taking x minus, here x minus 1 is common, so we can take x minus 1 and remaining is x minus 2. So into x minus 2 is equal to 0, which means these are factors. X minus 1 and x minus 2 are the factors of this quadratic equation. So if by factor theorem we can, if x minus a is a factor of f of x, then a is a 0 of that polynomial or equation. We have learned that in class 9th, right? So if x minus 1 is a factor of this quadratic equation, we can say that 1 is a 0 of that equation. So, or we can write here x minus 1 is equal to 0 and x minus 2 equal to 0. If product of two numbers is 0 means one number should be 0. So, x minus 1 is equal to 0 or x minus 2 equal to 0. So, x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. Now fourth question. The sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's ages 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present age. So we can write this. Let the present age of Rahman be x. And given that sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's age 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. That is, what is his age 3 years ago? It will be x minus 3, right? So, 3 years ago, his age will be x minus 3. And 5 years from now, 5 years from now means after 5 years, his age will be x plus 5. Here we can write was. His age was x minus 3 and 5 years from now his age will be, his age will be x plus 5. Okay, and given that sum of reciprocals of their ages 3 years ago and 5 years from now, that is 1 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x plus 5 is equal to 1 by 3. So, we can add this first. To add this, we have to take the LCM. X minus 3 into x plus 5 is the LCM. So, we have to multiply this 1 by x plus 5 and this 1 by x minus 3 and multiply this. X minus 3 into x plus 5 is equal to 1 by 3. Now, adding this we will get 2x and 5 minus 3 is plus 2 by multiplying this. First multiply this x by x plus 5. X into x is x square. Then x into 5 is 5x. Then minus 3 into x is minus 3x. Then minus 3 into plus 5 is minus 15 is equal to 1 by 3. Now this is 2x plus 2 by x square. Then 5x minus 3x is plus 2x. Then minus 15 is equal to 1 by 3. Now we can cross multiply this. 3 into 2x plus 2. 3 into 2x plus 2. Or we can write this first. X square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 3 into 2x plus 2. So, this is x square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 3 into 2x is 6x and 3 into 2 is plus 6. Now, we can bring this to the left hand side. So, x square, then 2x minus 6x is minus 4x, minus 15 minus 16 is minus 21 is equal to 0. Now we can solve this by quadratic formula. So x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Minus b is minus of minus 4 which is plus 4 plus or minus root of b square minus 4 the whole square which is 16 minus 4 into 1 into minus 21. So it will become minus of minus is plus and 4 into 21 is 84 by 2 into 1. It is 2. So this is equal to 4 plus or minus root of 84 plus 16 is 100 by 2. And that is equal to 4 plus or minus 10 by 2. Root of 100 is 10. 4 plus or minus 10 by 2. And if we take 4 plus 10 by 2, 4 plus 10 by 2, we will get it as 14 by 2 which is equal to 7. And 4 minus 10 by 2 is minus 6 by 2 which is minus 3. But age can only be a positive number. So x is equal to 7. That is present age of Rahman is 7 years. Now fifth question. In a class test, sum of Shefali's marks in mathematics and English is 30. Had she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of their marks would have been 210. Find her marks in the 2 subjects. Sum of her marks in mathematics and English is 30. Had she scored 2 marks more in mathematics. In mathematics, had she scored 2 marks more, and in English, if she had scored 3 marks less. Product 3 marks less. Product of the marks would have been 210. So, find her marks in the 2 subjects. So, first let us say if let x be the marks in maths. So, what will be her marks in English? Sum of her marks in maths and English is 30 and x is the marks in maths. So, what will be her marks in English? In English, her marks will be 30 minus x, right? And given that she scored 2 marks. If she had scored 2 marks more in mathematics, 2 marks more in mathematics means x plus 2. And 3 marks less in English. 3 marks less in English means 30 minus x minus 3. Their product would have been 210. Now we can solve this. So we got x plus, we'll get x plus 2 into 30 minus 3 is 27 minus x is equal to 210. Now x into 27 is 27x, x into minus x is minus x square, 2 into 27 is 54, 2 into minus x is minus 2x is equal to 210. Now this is minus x square, then 27x minus 2x is plus 25x, then 54. We can take this to the left hand side. 54 minus 210 is minus 156 is equal to 0. Now to make this the standard form, in the general form of quadratic equation, we should not have minus in the x square term. So we can multiply this by minus 1. We can multiply LHS and RHS by minus 1. So we will get x square minus 25x plus 156 is equal to 0 into minus 1 is 0. So we can apply quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Minus b is minus of 25. So plus 25 plus or minus root of b square. b square is minus 25 the whole square. It is 625 minus 4 into 1 into 156. That is 156 into 4. It is 624. So 624 by 2a. 2 into 1. So 2. So it is equal to 25 plus or minus root of 1. Root of 625 minus 624 is root of 1 by 2. And root of 1 is 1. So 25 plus or minus 1 by 2, and that is equal to 25 plus 1 by 2 is 26 by 2, 13, and 25 minus 1 by 2 is 24 by 2, which is equal to 12. So marks in maths, we got marks in maths as 13 and 12. X is equal to 13 and 12. So if we take 13 as the marks in maths, her marks in English will be 30 minus 13, which is 17. And if we take x as 12, that is her marks in maths as 12, her marks in English will be 30 minus 12, which is equal to 18. So her marks in maths can be 13 and 12, and her marks in English can be 17 and 18. Understood? Next one, the diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side, find the sides of the field. So it is given in terms of the shorter side. That is, diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. Diagonal is 60 meters more than shorter side. And longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side. Longer side 30 meters more than shorter side. So we have to find the sides of this rectangular field. Rectangular field. And given that diagonal is 60 meter more than the shorter side. So let us take the shorter side, length of the shorter side as x. So write, let the length of the shorter side be equal to x. So shorter side is x, and given that diagonal is 60 meter more than the shorter side. This diagonal is 60 plus x, or we can write x plus 60. and longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side. So we can write this as x plus 30. Now we have to find the sides of this rectangular field. So we know that this is a right angled triangle. This has become a right angled triangle. So diagonal is equal to, diagonal by applying Pythagoras theorem, diagonal is equal to root of base square plus altitude square. So it is x plus 30 the whole square plus x square, which is equal to, that is x plus 60. We can take square of this. X plus 60 the whole square is equal to, if we take square of this, we will get, we can remove the root. So x plus 30 the whole square plus x square. Now we can expand this. A plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. 60 square is, 6 square is 36. Then add 2 zeros. If there is 1 zero, square will have 2 zeros. So this is equal to, so we can write in this step itself, 2 into 60 is 120. You can write it as separate steps, but I am writing in one step. Okay. So this is equal to x square plus 2 into x into 30. A plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So 2 into x into 30 is, 2 into 30 is 60. So 60x plus 30 square is 9. 3 square is 9, then add 2 zeros plus x square. Now this is equal to 2x square plus 60x plus 900. Now if we take this to the left hand side, x square minus 2x square is minus x square. Then 120x minus 60x is plus 60x. Then 2700 is equal to 0. Now we can change the sign of this by multiplying by minus 1. If we multiply LHS and RHS by minus 1, we will get x square minus 60x minus 2700 is equal to 0. Now we can apply quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b. Minus b is minus of minus 60, which is 60 plus or minus root of b square is minus 60 the whole square, which is 3600. Then minus of, minus into 4 into minus of 2700. Minus into minus is plus. So 4 into 2700. 7 4s are 28. 10800 by 2 into 1. So it is equal to 60 plus or minus root of 3600 plus 10800 is 004, then 4 1. 14400 by 2, and that is equal to 60 plus or minus root of 144 is 12, and then root of, so it will be like root of 144 into 100. So we can take root of 144 is 12 and root of 100 is 10. So multiplying that we will get 120 by 2. So it is equal to 60 plus 120 by 2 is 180 by 2, which is 90, and 60 minus 120 by 2 is minus 60 by 2, which is minus 30. But we should have only positive signs because this is length of rectangle. So the length of the shorter side we have taken as x and we have got it as 90. Now we can get all these. Length of the longer side will be 90 plus 30, which is 120, and length of the diagonal is 90 plus 60, which is 150. So we got all these sides. So we have completed till question number 6 from exercise 4.3, and we will start with question number 7 in the next video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and do like the video if you like my class and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to get notifications also. If you have any doubts, you can ask that as comments. Okay. Thank you and bye.